Module 5, Stitching, Assembly, and Sewing Techniques. Module Overview. Module 5 is the stage where all cut, skived, and prepared leather pieces are assembled into finished products. Mastering stitching and assembly is crucial for durability, aesthetics, and professional quality. The module covers hand stitching, machine stitching, joining techniques, reinforcement, and finishing touches. Proper stitching not only holds pieces together, but enhances design elements, ensures load-bearing capacity, and maintains product longevity. 1. Overview of stitching techniques. Stitching is both functional and decorative in leatherwork. Techniques include hand stitching, saddle stitch, strongest, symmetrical, running stitch, simple, fast for small pieces, cross stitch or decorative stitches, machine stitching, industrial leather sewing machines, walking foot, cylinder bed, stitch length, tension, and thread type management, double or reinforced stitching for high-stress areas, edge and top stitching, decorative stitching for aesthetics, functional stitching to secure folds, straps, and reinforcements. Second, thread selection thread type is vital for strength, durability, and appearance. Waxed polyester thread, strong, smooth, and resistant to wear. Nylon thread, flexible and suitable for softer leather cotton thread. Natural look, used in lighter leather or decorative stitching. Thickness selection, matching thread diameter to leather thickness for secure seams. 3. Assembly techniques. Proper assembly ensures product integrity and alignment. Layering pieces, matching grain, thickness, and orientation. Seam allowance management, maintaining uniform seam widths, pinning and clamping, holding pieces in place for accurate stitching, hardware integration, attaching buckles, rivets, snaps, and zippers before final stitching. 4th, reinforcement techniques. Critical stress points must be reinforced to prevent wear and tear. Double stitching reinforces straps, handles, and shoe seams. Backing materials, using thin leather or fabric to support heavy stress areas. Edge folding and stitching adds strength and clean finish. 5. Advanced assembly considerations. 3-dimensional shaping, curved surfaces in shoes and structured bags. Pattern alignment, ensuring decorative and functional lines match perfectly. Ergonomic adjustments, straps and handles positioned for comfort and usability. Consistent quality, using jigs and templates for repetitive precision. 6. Finishing touches. Stitching is followed by polishing, burnishing, and final inspection. Edge burnishing, smooth and rounded edges. Surface polishing, leather creams, wax, or polish for aesthetics and protection. Quality checks, ensuring stitch alignment, seam strength, and hardware integrity. Packaging preparation. Folding, inserting support, or stuffing bags/shoes for retail. 7. Learning outcomes. By the end of Module 5, you will be able to master hand and machine stitching for shoes and bags. Select the right thread and stitch type for each application. Assemble leather components accurately with attention to detail. Reinforce stress points for durability. Apply finishing touches to achieve professional quality products.